So this morning I'm just cleaning a bit of canary seed for drilling on the farm. We're growing 30 acres approximately of straight plain canary seed, and it grows a bit like a grass. So what we're doing, we're just running through the cleaning plan. I think I've probably shown you videos of this before, but basically it's just like a big set of sieves. So all the rubbish, I've cleaned it once already, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to clean it twice just to make doubly sure. But all the rubbish comes off the top now, that channel there, down into the bin down there. And hopefully it comes out on the bottom sieves spotlessly clean, and then we just put it straight up into that big bin up there, into a big bag there. So that'll be ready to go straight through the drill. But it has to have no chaff or straw in it, otherwise it just blocks the drill solid. There it is, just taking it slow. It's quite a slippy seed, so it runs really fast. We're just taking the big bits of chaff out, basically, that might ridge up, not go through the drill. That's 100% clean, so it's been aspirated. As you can see, there's a little bit of wheat coming off. Bit of straw. It just ensures that all your drilling is canary, you know, it's just 100% pure. It goes into the bag. And this machine, we've just, you know, it's just something we've built over the years. It's not, you can't really go and buy one off the shelf. I mean, we've added elevators into it. And that machine there is probably 50, 55 years old at least. And carrier elevators went out of business years ago. We're still using them. Goes through fairly fast. I'm just doing 600 kilos, just enough for about 30 acres. We mark it up on the bag. So yeah, that's the full process of cleaning canary. Ultimately what it is, it's straight from field to retail basically, so we're not selling this to anybody else, we're using it ourselves in our own mixes, so there's just no food miles on it at all. A lot of this sort of stuff is grown in Canada, places like that, so this, you know, it's grown in Long Clawson, it's sold in Long Clawson. It's just really good, it's what everybody needs to do.